9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
If you are a consistent, profitable trader and you are not doing this, you are leaving money on the table. What is this? Strategy providing on cTrader. And you can earn over 45% return from your trading. And I'm going to show you the process on how to provide your strategy on cTrader and get all this fee, all this percentage, over 45% from your trading. So let's get started, guys. Welcome back to this video and my channel, Power of Mindset Yields. If you haven't subscribed, kindly hit the subscription button, like and share this video because it's going to be super glowing. Right? So the first step is to access your Deriv cTrader, and here I am on the platform Deriv cTrader. You can log in if you already have a Deriv account with your credentials. If you don't have a Deriv cTrader, you will have to create it. It's very easy. Just click here on open account. If you are new, you can also create an account by clicking on open account. The link will be in the description. So let's continue. Me, I'm going to log in because I already have an account, and they show you the entire process of how to become a strategy provider. A strategy provider is when you are providing like your strategy for other traders to copy. Okay, you believe you are a consistent, profitable trader, and therefore you want to let other traders, like beginners or those who are ever busy, they don't have time to trade, all right, so that they can copy your strategy. All right, so I'll go to Deriv cTrader. I'll scroll down, and look at this one, Deriv cTrader open. When I click on open, I can choose to run it on the application because I already have, or I can choose to run it on web browser. So on the web browser, it is here. On cTrader Windows app, it is here. So I can choose to open either from there. The Windows app was able to open faster than the mobile version.
The Deriv cTrader usually requires you to have a high-speed internet connection. So this is the Windows app version I have opened. And one more thing I want to highlight is that Deriv cTrader, especially for those ones interested in providing their strategies, only works on a PC. The feature is available on a PC, not a mobile version. And therefore, if you want to provide your strategy, make sure that you access a PC or laptop. And this is so because one of my audience reached out and I was able to follow it up, and I received feedback from Deriv itself.
So you can see on Monday, around the 1st of this month, on Monday, I asked the Deriv support team, I wanted to know if it is possible to provide a strategy using a mobile phone on cTrader. So the support team mistakenly said, upon checking, the team has replied to you via ticket because I had already asked about this, but I will assist you here in the chat. So he mistakenly said, okay, that you can use a cTrader on your phone. You can download it here, but I said that's not the issue. The issue is, can I provide my strategy on mobile device? Then he went ahead and said, yes, you can, which is wrong. Quote me well. I don't see any option to do that. Any guidance? Then he said, can you please provide a screenshot of your current page? And sure, I provided the screenshots. So he tried to guide me. Okay, we went together. Thank you. Please click on the 3 dots at the top right and the 3 lines at the top left. Then provide screenshot, which I did. Okay, for both screenshots. Then he said, please click on this icon, and I was able to locate it from the left side panel. Okay, and the left side panel was indicating this. And then he said, thank you, I'm sorry,
Okay, this message. That's why I'm saying Deriv, you cannot provide your strategy or using your mobile interface. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. The mobile interface does not provide the option to provide strategies. Thank you for highlighting this. In the meantime, you can use strategies via PC. After knowing that you cannot provide your strategy on mobile device, now let's focus on using a PC or laptop. Now, for your interface, when you are new to this or new to Deriv cTrader, these things will not be here like this. Like these are strategies I had earlier copied 5 months ago when I was doing my video about copy trading challenge. All these guys were not actually using Deriv, they were using other brokers, and I was using a demo to copy them. So most of them ended up blowing the accounts, apart from only this one, who is called Pain Gain cTrader, who is on 17.68, but the majority of them, they had to blow their account. Okay, so you have to be keen when you are selecting your strategy, so that you choose the person who is profitable. So most of now these traders who are here, actually all of them, not most of them, all of them, Deriv had to change their platform to only allow Deriv traders to provide their strategy. Okay, so for example, if you want to copy, you can do it, or you can find them from here. So, and I have done several videos on my channel, Power of Mindset Rules. You can go and check them out about copy trading. Okay, they are going to guide you and help you how to get started. But before we get started, you need to understand the following requirements. Number one, you need a positive net account balance, not negative, at least one open position, and at least one deal or trade executed within the last 72 hours. Then overall return on investment of 90% or even higher to show that you are really a profitable trader. Okay, so having that in mind, let's continue. So to become a strategy provider, you want to click on your real account, live account, and let me choose one. I'm repeating this video because the other one I had issues in editing. So I had already finished providing a strategy. I want to show you a step-by-step procedure, but let me repeat using this other account. So if you click on these three dots, you can see the option of becoming a strategy provider. So you click on become a strategy provider. So after that, you will be able to see these options. You have to fill every information here. For example, you give a strategy a name. Or for example, if I say my strategy is trend trap PA system, right? So this is my strategy name. Okay, then you set the minimum investment. According to the Deriv cTrader, the minimum must be 100. Okay, so you can set 200 or above, like the 100. Then next, performance fee, right? What we are trying to mean performance fee, the moment you get a profit when you are trading. Okay, so that means when you trade on your accounts, also those traders who are copying you will also be getting a profit. So you'll be getting 30% of the profit you have made. And for example, if you have made like $200, you'll get 30% of $200. Okay, should you make a loss and your account goes below, for example, initially you $500, you made a profit of $200, that's $700. Then you make a loss of, let's say, $50. This time you won't earn on the $50 because it's a loss. Okay, and you will only earn more other 30% when you go past the other $200 you had made. Remember, you started with 500, you have made a profit of $200, that's 700, and you made a 30% of 200 profit, right, from your those traders who are copying you. So you will only earn another 30% when you make another profit past the 700 or the 200%, $200 profit you had made. So that's what we call a high watermark model. So the 30% performance fee is set according to high watermark model. Okay, and what do I mean high watermark model? It means it's a fair way to calculate performance fee, okay, according to the net profit for your followers. So this means the highest profit level that a follower's account has reached while copying your strategy.
You as a strateger only earn performance fees on new profits that you go above this level. So for example, if a follower starts with the $1,000, you help them make $200 profit. Their balance is now $1,200. You earn a performance fee 30% on to $100. Okay, so later if the account drops back to 1,100, you don't earn more fees unless profits go above the previous high, which was $1,200. If the follower's account grows to 1,300, then you will earn a performance fee only on the $100 gain above the high watermark model. So let's continue. I hope you have been able to understand the 30%, or even if it can be 20, by the way, because I said this is the maximum you can charge as a performance fee. You can even choose to set 10%. All right, so after that you click on whether you go to management fee. So what is the management fee again? Let me get back to this so that it can guide us or guide you what it means. So the management fee is also set by the strategy provider as an annual percentage of the investor's equity and is calculated daily. The fee is capped at 10%. So this means it's like a small daily rental charge that the follower pays for using your strategy, even if there is no profit or loss. It's based on the equity account balance. So in other words, you are charging your followers for using your strategy like a fee. It could be 5%, but the maximum is 10%. So that one is divided like 365 days in a year. So for example, if you charge 5%, it's divided to 365 days you have in a year, then to be paid out to your account on a daily basis. But again, you'll be paid out. You can be able to withdraw this fee at the end of the month. Okay, you don't get paid daily, but the fee accumulates daily and may be paid out periodically, e.g. monthly or when a follower exits. Okay, so a good example once again is when a follower has $1,000 in equity. Your annual management fee you set to 5%. Daily fee, they are going to get 5% divided by 365. Then they are going to multiply by 1,000, right, dollars, which is the equity of your follower. So that means every day they are going to be paying you $0.14. Okay, so over the month you get a payout of $4.20. I hope that is also clear. So we can go to the next fee, which is called volume fee. Okay, so what about volume fee? What is it? Okay, it means you get rewarded based on how much trading activity your followers are copying from your strategy. You earn up to $10 for every 1 million copied trading volume. Okay, so think of copied trading volume as the total volume of all trades your followers are copying from your strategy, right? Count for fees. So all these fees, if you charge performance fee, management fee, volume fee, you choose a different account which is different from the other one you are using to provide a strategy. But then again, you allow copying for. Do you allow both those ones who are using real and demo accounts, or you want to allow only followers to copy? Only those ones who are having a real account, you can change it from here. If you want those ones with only real account, you can select real. If you want only those ones rather both having demo and live, you choose both. Okay, so then visible to everyone, show positions. You can choose who should see your strategy and the details, and you can select it from here. Me, I left it to everyone. Then here you put the description of your strategy. Okay, let me show you what I did like mine.
So here is how I formatted my description, which should be below 1,000 characters. So the trend trap PA system is a precision-based trading strategy that blends trend direction, liquidity grabs, and pin bar rejection to trap high probability entries at key support and resistance zones, and even the mid-range price floors that most traders tend to ignore. It's built for those traders who value clarity, clean charts, and discipline and execution. As simple as that. Then I had to click on become a strategy provider. If you click on your account you are using to provide a strategy, you are going to see the dashboard as a strategy provider, where you have the option to stop providing the strategy, your strategy name. You can see all-time return on investment, which is yours, and your investor funds, which is you, and the promotion invite link. You can also embed the strategy application. Profile link, you can also access it from there. Then also investor access link, which is your link you can share to your followers. You can also get more other details like provider analytics, which includes the total received commissions, total number of investors, average number of investors per day, and total volume coped. Okay, all of the details you can access them from here, and many more others. So that's all I had for today about providing your strategy on Deriv cTrader. If you have any question, kindly drop them in the comment section. You can also join my Telegram group, a link in the bio, and ask me any other question. And if you want the ChatGPT template I used to explain the other concepts of volume fee, the performance fee, and the management fee, you can as well provide it to you via my Telegram group. Before you go, kindly do me a favor to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell icon for more upcoming videos, and like it and share it to your colleagues. Until next time, peace.